Hey, it's Andre Guzman. And do you need an endoplasmic reticulum? Of course you do. And do you know why? Well, I'll tell you why. You know what? Actually, I'll get my friend to tell you why.
Thank you, Andre. In general, the endoplasmic reticulum is known for the transportation of proteins into the rest of the cell after translation has occurred on the ribosomes. The ER comes in two varieties, the rough ER and the smooth ER. The rough ER gets its name from the membrane-bound ribosomes that only occur on the rough ER surface. The rough ER functions as a factory for all proteins inside the cell because of the protein synthesis the membrane-bound ribosomes perform. Secretory proteins are produced for specialized cells on the rough ER and are then released into the cell, wrapped in the membranes of vesicles that spring up like bubbles from a specialized region called the transitional or smooth ER. The rough ER is also known as the membrane factory for the cell and grows in place by adding protein and lipids onto itself. In contrast, the smooth ER takes part in several specialized processes that are metabolic processes such as lipid synthesis, metabolism of carbs, detoxification of drugs and poisons, and storing calcium ions. Enzymes of the smooth ER are invaluable for these processes and are only found in the smooth ER.
You may want to know about the structure of the endoplasmic. Well, it wraps around the nucleus. It has a membrane that wraps around the ER lumen. Furthermore, the ER contains interconnecting tubules and flattened sacs called cisternae. And the ER contains an additional ribosome for protein synthesis so that it can perform its function for them. Usually the smooth ER has the tubules and the rough ER has the sacs covered in ribosomes. Now about the relative size of the ER. The endoplasmic reticulum takes up about 15% of the cell. Furthermore, the ER has different sizes depending on the type of the cell. The cell has one smooth ER and one rough ER wrapped around the nucleus.
Well, isn't this great? The endoplasmic reticulum is so important for the transfer of proteins and our lives. And guess what? You can have it not for $39.99, not $34.99, but 10 easy payments of $19.99. And guess what? You can get 10 models of the endoplasmic reticulum free, along with $5.99 added to your original payment. Isn't it great? Yeah. Hey, Andre, why don't you order right away? I am. Go, Andre, go!